20th. Suit up. Strap in. Point made. And let the feathers fly.
Wait, he's coming back.
Can we get an ice pack for Hal?
The Angry Birds movie. Rated PG.
We interrupt the save-ums on CBC or Discovery Kids, to bring you another Sunny Bunnies error, the sequel to the first one. Iris the purple Sunny Bunny and Shiny the light blue Sunny Bunny was stabbed by Evil Iris and Evil Shiny with a pocket knife while Mr. Fang trapped the boy Sunny Bunnies in a dressing room at PacSun in Soda Commons. Evil Iris and Evil Shiny putted a 6-chance bomb into Sunny Bunny's house. Evil Iris, Evil Shiny, and Mr. Fang are very dangerous. If you see them, call 911 right away. Not only call 911, another thing to do is to free the boy Sunny Bunnies. If you don't know where the PacSun location is at, they are located in Soda Commons between Ann Taylor and Zoomies and near Hollister Company. Do not watch the save-ums on CBC or Discovery Kids, or do anything else except call 911 or free the boy Sunny Bunnies. Repeat, do not watch the save-ums on CBC or Discovery Kids, or do anything else except call 911 or free the boy Sunny Bunnies. If you watch the save-ums on CBC or Discovery Kids, or do anything else except call 911 or free the boy Sunny Bunnies, you will lose a chance. Repeat, if you watch the save-ums on CBC or Discovery Kids, or do anything else except call 911 or free the boy Sunny Bunnies, you will lose a chance.
You lost your first chance. Can you please not watch the save-ums on CBC or Discovery Kids? Do not watch the save-ums on CBC or Discovery Kids.
You decided to continue watching the save-ums when we said you cannot watch it. Can you please help us? Call 911 on my evil clone. Do not lose your chances.
You are not listening to us. Please do not watch these save-ums, or else you will get punished.
We strongly recommend you that you do not watch the save-ums on CBC or Discovery Kids. If you continue to proceed by watching our enemies, you will be sorry. Please stop Evil Shiny.
This is your last warning. If you watch the save-ums one more time, we have to ban you from watching the save-ums forever. This is no joke, it's real.
You have ignored us. You have decided to watch the save-ums on CBC or Discovery Kids even though you are supposed to help us. If you didn't want to help us, you should have leave your television alone for 2 hours. The announcer told you that if you watch the save-ums on CBC or Discovery Kids, there will be serious actions. Even though you ignored us, we are giving you an extra chance to exit this error. Enter a 4-digit code. You entered the wrong code. The correct code is 1234. If you enter that, you will be safe and you can watch the save-ums all you want. But no. You are not safe. You did not listen to us about the save-ums on CBC or Discovery Kids. You won't be grounded, but you will be banned from watching the save-ums forever, and you will watch our show on Disney Channel and Viva Pinata on YTV.
But I'm sorry.
No. You are not sorry, your apology is denied. You made Evil Iris and Evil Shiny destroy us. Say goodbye to watching the save-ums forever. We will now reset your television and the save-ums will not be on the show list anymore.
I'm sorry Jeffrey Rules 33 UITP for this error, but the save-ums on CBC or Discovery Kids is no longer available for you because you refused to listen to the Sunny Bunnies about watching the save-ums when you're not allowed to.